Summer is a great time to get out and ride, but even the safest riders are at risk. Per vehicle miles traveled in 2020, motorcyclists were about 28 more times likely than passenger vehicle occupants to die in a crash, and were 4 times more likely to be injured. Getting noticed and being seen is a common theme for motorcycle riders. It's one of the most important safety features for riding day or night. The most common cause for motorcycle accidents is the failure of other motorists to recognize motorcycles in traffic. Because of the motorcycle's small size, visibility can be limited by a number of factors. According to the HURT report published by the NHTSA, 75% of accidents involving motorcycles are due to other drivers not seeing the motorcycle. There are a few things you can do to improve your odds to be seen, like wearing brightly colored clothes and helmet. But in this video, we'll be looking at a few easy things you can do to your motorcycle to help you be seen and help you see. Brighter is better for motorcycle safety, and switching the lights on your motorcycle to LED bulbs is an easy and effective way to help you ride safely. We'll start with the headlight. The halogen bulb that comes standard in most motorcycle headlights just don't perform at the level of the LED. This Sylvania halogen bulb is rated for 910 lumens. The color of the Sylvania halogen bulb is 4,100 degrees Kelvin. The H4 motorcycle LED headlight bulb from Ayla Lighting is rated at 4,000 lumens, more than 4 times brighter than the OEM halogen bulb. It also has a pure white color, between 6,000 to 6,500 degrees Kelvin. The brightness and color of this headlight bulb will, without a doubt, make everything easier to see when riding at night or even at dusk and dawn hours. But consider how much easier it will be to be seen with a pure white light that is more than 4 times brighter than the original. This will help your bike get noticed anytime, day or night. Plus, these lights are safe for you and other drivers as well. They were designed to match the OEM light beam with a clear cutoff line, meaning you'll get the most light where you need it and not glaring into the eyes of oncoming traffic. And this easy upgrade is well worth it. Take out the old bulb and plug in the new one, and you've instantly changed your visibility. The second light we want you to consider replacing is the taillight. Due to the small size of a motorcycle and the placement of the taillight, it can be difficult for motorists to determine when a motorcycle is slowing down or stopping. We've already established that brighter is better for motorcycles, and the taillight would be no exception. Replacing the taillights with an LED would greatly improve your chances of being seen. Consider this Sylvania 3157 basic incandescent bulb that has a lumens rating of 402 and a very warm yellowish color of 2,800 degrees Kelvin. Compare that with the LED, which you can get in pure red. And this LED bulb has a brightness of 1,300 lumens. Of course, a brake or tail light that is many times brighter than what you have installed now will help you be seen, but that's not the only benefit of switching to LED. LED bulbs also light faster than the OEM bulb. The LED will reach full brightness in 0.2 seconds faster than the OEM bulb. That may not sound like a lot, but at 60 miles per hour, you're essentially traveling 89 feet per second. The faster illumination time means you're giving the driver behind you more time to stop, which will equal around 18 more feet of stopping distance with the LEDs. Ayla Lighting also has several taillight bulbs that will flash, with no modulators needed. Every time you apply the brake, the bulb will quickly flash 4 times and then stay bright red. This is also an easy safety upgrade. No modifications or parts needed to make your motorcycle much easier to see for the drivers behind you. But there's more. Drivers reacting to flashing brake lights will hit the brakes in 0.4 seconds, slightly faster than the 0.6 seconds it takes to react to regular brake lights. That's an additional 0.2 seconds on top of the already improved time of the standard LED by itself. And that would be an additional 18 feet of stopping distance, bringing the stopping distance of the flashing LED to 36 feet better than the traditional OEM brake light. The third LED upgrade you should make to your motorcycle is the turn signal bulbs. Most motorcycles have an amber turn signal light, and if you want to stick with that, Ayla Lighting offers several amber-colored bulbs that will far exceed the OEM incandescent bulb. The OEM bulb is 402 lumens with a color temperature of 2,800 degrees Kelvin. We have dozens of varieties of amber turn signal bulbs that will be at least 5 times brighter than the OEM incandescent bulbs, which will certainly help with getting noticed. But what about switchback bulbs? For maximum nighttime illumination, consider the canvas switch color bulb. This bulb has 1500 lumens per bulb of pure white 6000K light when you turn them on. And when you turn your turn signal on, the bulb switches to amber yellow, and then back to 6000K white again when you turn the signal off. These extra bright lights make for a trifecta of bright light coming at you, rather than one bright light in the middle and two dimmish yellow lights on the outside. This will greatly improve your visibility to oncoming traffic. And finally, the 3-color switchback fog light can illuminate at 5200 total lumens. By turning on and off, you can switch between white, yellow, and the blue colors. And the yellow color has been proven to provide better visibility in fog and rain. And poor weather is one of the leading causes of motorcycle accidents. So there are 4 easy upgrades you can make to every motorcycle. All of these products are plug and play. We say safer, smarter, brighter, better for good reason. We want you to be safe first and foremost. Swapping out the OEM bulbs you have on your motorcycle could be the easiest safety upgrade you can make.